So we're gonna go from this to this. I like to do a very simple makeup routine, so this is not like full glam. This is just a very simple, basic, waterproof look that can just make you look a little bit more alive than bare face. Although, hey, if you want to rock bare face, then go for it, no shame. Anywho, let's get into it. So if you're new here, welcome. My name is Olivia. I am a professional scuba diver. I make a new video just about sort of every week. So if you're interested in more scuba things, then subscribe. If you're just here for waterproof makeup, then that's cool too. All right, let's do it. So to start off, I just put on a SPF moisturizer. I use CeraVe because I have very sensitive skin, and then later I'll put on more sunscreen, like once I'm out. Anyway, good explanations, Olivia. If you want something that's kind of like a foundation, I would wear like a tinted SPF, and if you have any recommendations for tinted SPFs for super white people, go ahead and leave those in the comments below, or just ones that you really like. I don't know, I've never used a tinted one before. I don't wear foundation day to day either, so, but I'd be willing to try it out. A couple pumps. And do not forget your ears. So next I am going to put on some concealer. So no, I do not wear foundation, but I do wear a little bit of concealer just around my eyes, and then today I'll probably cover up these spots. I am going to be honest with you, I'm not a huge fan of these super full coverage concealers. This one is the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear, and it certainly is full wear. However, in waterproof makeup, concealer is almost always going to be full coverage. I haven't found like a light coverage concealer that's waterproof. So if you have recommendations, please let me know. But I just try and go very light on it, and that's the best way I've found to make it work. And I have the shade Super Mega White. I don't know. Eggshell. I don't know if this is actually a great match for me, but that's what I wear. This is one of those, a dot is a lot. If you remember that from kindergarten, that rule applies here. So then I kind of take my finger to kind of blend it out, because like I said, I like my coverage to be like very light and more natural looking, and this is a lot. So I like to blend it a little bit with my finger. And I did wash my hands, so for real makeup people, come for me. You're about to come for me even more because I use one of these triangle sponges. So sorry, but it gets right into the corner so nice. Anyway, then once I kind of distributed it a little bit more evenly, I blend it more with the actual sponge. And just like that, I look this much more alive. Let's move on. So for my eyebrows, I use the CoverGirl Easy Breezy Brow. I like the clear brow gel. I don't really like to go in with a bunch more color. Again, I keep it very natural looking. I just don't want my eyebrows to like be looking like this, basically. But they do come in colors, so if you wanted to spruce up your brows a little bit with an actual tint, then you could do that. But all right, so the next thing that I do is eyeliner. So this is the Rimmel Scandalize, and I just have it in 001 black. And this is the waterproof eyeliner I use. This is more like I do it in my waterline. I don't use this for like top of the eyelid. or anything, I would probably use not this for that. If you do that kind of eyeliner, I would get like a liquid eyeliner or something like that. But anyway, so now I'm going to just tightline my eyes with this and then move on. Oh my god. Alright. Check. Alright, and then I will add just a pinch of blush to my cheeks just to add a little bit more of life to my face. Again, the goal is to look semi-alive, not like I am going to the Oscars. So this, oh, my bad. This is All Good Get Glowing Blush. You can also use it on your lips, but it also has SPF 15 in it, so it's like a cream. And it has a smell that's like super nostalgic, but I don't know what it is. Anyway, I just put a little bit on my finger and then I dab it on my cheek. Other side. I know I'm sweating. And then I usually do like a smidgen on my bridge of my nose, because if you like get sun, you know how like the bridge of your nose kind of gets some sun? So I kind of fake looking like I have any pigment in my skin whatsoever. Is anyone buying it? I don't know. And then I just kind of blend it out with my finger. And then if I did a little too much, I'll take my sponge, because that's like a little overdone in my opinion. I'll take my sponge and just kind of dab it out a little bit. Sick. Alright, so the next step is mascara. So basically just use whatever is your favorite mascara, but then get the waterproof version. That's all. The one I like is the, which one brand is this? Okay, the one I like is the L'Oreal Bambi Eye. So that's what I use. Check and mate. Alright. And finally, I just put on chapstick. If you have like an SPF chapstick, that's better. I tried to get a plastic-free chapstick. It was so horrendous. My lips were so dry and chapped and just terrible. It was horrible. This All Good Get Glowing blush can also be used as lip tint if you wanted a lip tint. This is not technically waterproof, but it does have SPF in it, and you could just like pop it back on later if you wanted to, or by the time you have a little sun, you don't really need blush. I've not been able to find such thing as a waterproof blush, so I just stick to an SPF version instead. And they also have like a highlighter. So if you're interested in highlight, then you could do that as well. I'm sweating enough for it to be natural highlight, so. All right, and that is the look. So if you have any recommendations for waterproof makeup that you use, please put them in the comments below for everybody else to kind of see. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button if you're not already and you'd like to be. I'd appreciate if you subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you next time, or I won't see you next time until we dive again. Bye! This is my entire makeup collection right here. Man, that's so cringe.